Okay, tab 5180 comment fix. So first, follow comment and fix the wrong buildings on left. Trace the orange mask, turn on the mask and use a tool to revert. Ignore other errors. Okay. So focus on the comment on the left side. Consider as a initial comment, building, building, building. So click this and to see if the building is not fixed very well, you can use or check this mask files. Okay, then press R. As you can see, this is the example what we fix. Only this orange mask. As you can see, the building is not in the orange mask, right? Not on the footprint. So this is the footprint of the building, this orange mask. So this is the rooftop. As you can see, then the AIR system is labeled it whole instead of this footprint only. So you can delete this. First, you can delete and delete. You can delete that and use number 8 tools. Use number 8. Just press 8, then click, 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 and spacebar. Okay, you get it, guys? Then the empty and the empty, you can label it this as a pavement or anything. This pavement. So make it reasonable. And this one is also building. Okay. Okay, that's fixed. The next, press R. Always take note, guys. Always check this file, mask file, ha. So this is bad. So there's a little bit offset. Then you can delete that and oops, wrong. Press it again, then click and spacebar. Then you can label this as pavement, the empty part. Okay. This is, you can ignore this since there is no mask or this kind of thing, orange, you called orange. Okay. Next, building. So we can delete this and press number 8 and label. Then you can copy this and label this as pavement. The thing we do is, that is a revert method. Okay. If the building is wrong, we use revert method. Use 8 tools, number 8 in your keyboard. Okay. Then when we're done, we can submit this map. Okay. Next. So as you can see, there is only one comment. Then to avoid this canopy, you can click Ctrl 1. Then click the comment. Then check this mask file. Press R. So there is no mask file or this orange. So you can ignore this. Okay. Then submit. Tap into this. There's a topo overlap building, so we can fix this like that. So parking, so we can fix that like that. Control T. Okay. Okay, that's it. Then we can pass. So, okay, Control 1, building. As you can see, there's a, okay, wait. There's only a mass. Okay. You can fix this. Delete and click building, since there's a building of 8 like that. Then label this as pavement or Berlan. I think it's a grass to match this neighbor. Okay, so you can see the neighbor label is grass, so we use grass to match. And there's a building also right there. So building, okay, building. Control T. So overlap, there's an overlap. Which part is overlapping? Let's see. Okay, then Control T. Okay. So boundary, what's this? So okay. Don't forget to use boundary clipper, guys. Okay, since this is a boundary area, this part. Okay, so use boundary clipper because our label is good, got over the other part of the neighbor. Okay, so boundary clipper, as you can see, that is the system is adjust the label. Then Control T. Let's see if it's okay. We're all good. Then we submit. Oh, wait. What? Okay, then submit. Next, building. Then Control 1 to hide the canopy. Check this mask file. Press R. Then we can delete because there's some offset. And press 8. Click spacebar. Then we label this as driveway. Then Control T. Overlap driveway. So if we cut that, delete and label again and submit. Oh, misfill. Which one? Okay. So what happened to this area? And merge. Okay. So last 4 maps, guys. Okay, last 4 maps. Oh, what happened to this? Okay. Building. Again, building. So after you click the building, check this mask file, then press R. So as you can see, the orange mask is right there, then the actual label is offset. So you need to delete this and press it again. Then don't forget to boundary clipper because the label is outside, the other part of our label is outside the neighbor. Okay, so press boundary clipper so that the label is automatically cut. Then you can label this as pavement. Oh, wait, what? Okay, this one you need to delete that, then label this pavement. Okay, then submit. So next, so building, then and you can check the mask file. So that's how you can ignore that. No mask file, then label as building. So it's fine. Next. Okay, but the other is not building. So let's try to report fixed building. Okay, then we can submit. Boundary overlap. What happened to this? Toronto. Oh, the money. What happened to this area? Let's cut this. Boundary overlap. Okay, let's report this. Fixed boundary. Fixed building. But not all the time we need to report our neighbor. If there's no error, then don't report. If you can handle to fix the boundary, just fix. Okay? Let's proceed to another ID. Let's go back to that later. So building, check this mask and press R. As you can see, this is the building or footprint only. Then our building is offset. Then we delete this. Press number 8. Click spacebar. Then click pavement. Copy the label. Then use E-tool. Click and spacebar. Then that's good. Another building. Press R. So this is the label only. So delete and change to pavement. That's enough. Okay, then you can submit. Let's go back to the other ID. Oh, what happened to this boundary? Oh, but forest. Control T. Okay, overlap with building. What is this? Then press 8. Okay. Now it's now fixed. Then submit. Then proceed the other ID. Click building. Then let's hide first this canopy, control 1. Then check the mask files. Don't forget to check. Always check these mask files, guys. And press R to check our building is in the right footprint. If not, then we can fix that. Okay. The next R, and that's good enough. Other, this is this part is we have a missing part, so we can ignore this. Okay, we can ignore that for a while. Okay, just ignore it. Then submit. Kickback. Oh, we have a kickback pavement to. So since we have a kickback, you need to do is just cut around the kickback. This is the kickback. Just cut around the kickback. Don't look for the kickback. It's very hard to find in this case. So like that. As you can see, right? When I click this part, you can see there is a extension. That's the cause of kickback. Okay, so we can do this like that. Then Control T, just merge, and Control T. Then you can submit.